Hey guys, it's Anna B, and today I learned how to make bubble art, and I'm so excited to show y'all, and I hope y'all have fun making it. So y'all are gonna need cups, dish soap, paint, straws, something to mix with, water, and thick paper. So you're gonna start off by pouring paint into each of the individual cups. Then you're gonna add dish soap into each of the cups. This will create the bubbles. After that, you're gonna add a couple of inches of water into each cup. Then stir all of those up. Then using the straw, blow bubbles into the cup. Then taking your paper, place it on top of the bubbles to create a design. Do this with all the colors. The end result should look something like this. It's so pretty and I had so much fun making it. I hope y'all had fun making it, and what designs do you think you can come up with next?